I am Shawn, your Realtor for the Shreveport, Bossier City area. As a homeowner, there are things you should do each month around your house for maintenance to make sure your house stays in top condition. So, here are the 8 things for this month.
Here are your home maintenance tasks for September. 1. Test your heating system and schedule maintenance if needed. 2. Clean out gutters and downspouts again before fall leaves accumulate. 3. Inspect and weatherproof windows and doors. 4. Prepare your lawn by aerating and reseeding. 5. Check and organize emergency supplies for fall storms. 6. Remove window air conditioning units or cover them for winter. 7. Schedule professional tree pruning to remove dead branches. 8. Inspect your crawl space or basement for signs of moisture.
And those are your maintenance tips for this month. My name is Shawn Ousley, your Realtor for the Shreveport, Bossier City area. If you're looking to buy, sell, or find some investment property, feel free to give me a call. My number's right here. Have a great and wonderful day.